Right, hi everyone. Now this is a really quick video. I've had these in the shop for quite some time, and it's just plastic coated polystyrene. Anyway, so what I've done is I'm trying to change them, and I'm altering them using fabric. So what I've done, I've used a fettling knife or a craft knife and split in between each segment like that, and then using an old nail file covering it with fabric. So I've got a piece here, that's nice. I want the, oh, I'll have that one. I'd like the roses on it. So I'm just cutting a small piece because you don't need much. I mean, obviously you need it wider than the actual segment, and you can cut it into shape, but I don't bother because you just need to be able to pull it in. And I just do this where I've split it, see, like that, and shove all of that in there. And if you do it right, you can get quite a bit in like that, see. Not fussed about the top, that's going to have some leaves on it. So I do the top section and then I pull it down towards the bottom and push that in. And then just keep pushing that in until the fabric's disappeared. And it's as quick as that. No sewing involved whatsoever. I mean, you can always cut that bit off if I wanted to, and then just shove I just want to shove it all in. And that will hold that tight. Do you know what? I've got a better tool than that. I've got that one. That's better. A lot quicker. It doesn't hurt the hand. That's it. And just shove that in like that. Yeah. And then the next piece, so if I want to do this one, I've got a piece like that which will do that piece. Move it down. So like I say, I'm not fussed about the top section. And it's, you know, gone from that to that. Isn't that fantastic? So what I'm going to do is just get a little bit of felt for the bottom of that, and then get some leaves for the top. Right, I've got a bit of purple, which is the bag fabric that I've been using, but it's doesn't fray or anything like that. So I'm just going to cut that into a kind of circle. Which is way too big. So I'm just going to follow it around and cut it down. That'll do. on there like that. But I first want to put the beaded trim on. So I'm just going to get out if I've got enough of it. I think I have. Let's have a look. Right. This is a great way of using your oddments up as well. So, let's have a look. See, like that. Then just snip that bit. You don't want the middle bit. Oh, that looks gorgeous. Like I say, I'll put these on the shop for sale. I'll put this one on that I'm making as already done. But I will put the other on. The other 3 I think I've got all together. I may have 4 as well. I'll put them on. So somebody else can have a go. And I'll add the fabrics. I'll add a batch of fabrics for you. So that you can play around. Just attach that on there. You're not going to notice the difference. That's it. Done. Save that bit. I'm going to add the base on. Just doing half of it for now till I position it. Oh, that's just gorgeous. But hang on, because I need to do some leaves. Let me just use my pinking shears to make a nice leaf. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not sure how many or even how big to do them. Maybe that's too big. I think that will do. I'm not sure if we can bend these. Put some shape into them. May need to... Let me just see. No, I'll just glue them on as they are. So I'm just going to do them, but not lay them flat. Let me glue them on first. Now what I'm going to do is to just stand some of them up. And all you do is bring that up like that. And fasten that on. Should be fine. Bring that up like that. See where I want that to be. And then, I know you don't get them on there, but I want to put them there. I know they don't grow on pumpkins, but because it's my pumpkin, I can have them where I want. Can't I? Can't I? Just around the top. Like that. Just do that. And, oh, I don't know. Let's have a look, see what else we've got we can use. Let's have a look. Oops. Just see if we've got anything else in the other one. Ooh, oh, I know what I could use. Maybe. Let's have a look. I mean, I could put some berries on, couldn't I? Just because I want to, not for any other reason. But I think I've got some smaller ones. Or pearls. I could put some pearls on, couldn't I? Let's have a look, see what else we have. Do you know what? I might just put these on. Because I can. There. Because I want to. Because I want the front of mine to look really pretty. And I'm going to choose this side as the front section. Oops. So I'm putting a couple of these clusters. I do have a video on how to make the clusters. No, I'm not going to do that. I think I might just have another leaf. Oh, pearly bits. We could have some pearly bits, couldn't we? So you can use a smaller pearl string. And just do some pearly bits. Okay. Just like I've shown you before, put the two bits together. Oops. Like that. Okay, and I'm just going to put some here. For no other reason other than I can. Let me just use my little spike to put them in there. I'm going to put some on this side. Oops, a daisy. Right, just put that on there, and what I'm going to do is take some of my little pearly bits and to bling it right up, well, not right up, but to bling it a little bit. I'll scrape that off in a bit. Let's just have a look, see what we have. I'm just going to put a couple of these bits in. Oops. I'm not fussed how many is on there at all. I think I'm just going to put another one just there because I can, not for any reason. I just want a good mixture of pearly bits and whatnot. And that is all I'm doing. You, of course, can do whatever you want. But, yeah. And I think that's fine. And I've taken it from that to that. Okay? Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.